how to make TikTok private. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then, go over to Settings and Privacy on the bottom. From this page, tap on the option Privacy. Then, turn on the Private Account option. Tap on the option Switch Anyway from the pop-up. As you can see, the private account has been enabled. Your posts and contents will not be available to the non-followers. So, by following these steps, you can easily make TikTok private. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.